Well, he said to me, child, I'm afraid for your soul. 'Cause these things that you're after, they can't be controlled. And this beast that you're after will eat you alive and spit out your bones. She'll string you along, she'll sell you a lie. There's nothing but pain on the edge of a knife. There is no courage in flirting with fear to prove your life. I've seen the true face of the things you call life. The song of the siren that holds your desire. Yes, she is cunning and clever as hell, and she'll eat you alive.
I just a little stupid. Ow,